Hi there, I'm Mitchell from Brainfart Studio, and this is part 2 of my series on Git for game development. In today's video, we're going to be setting up a GitHub account and installing Git on your computer. If you already have these, then I'll see you in the next video where we start creating and cloning repositories. Let's start by setting up a GitHub account. Head over to github.com, and I'll have a link to this in the description of the video. In the upper right-hand corner, click on Sign Up. Fill out the usual questions that pop up, including email, a password, username. You can opt in or out of product updates, and do the little verification at the bottom. Then you'll need to check your email for the launch code. Once you enter the code, you'll be asked some questions about how you plan to use GitHub to get the right plan for you. Personally, I use the free plan, and I've never had a need to upgrade. For now, I'll just hit Skip Personalization. And that's it. We've now set up our GitHub account. With your GitHub account ready, we can move on to installing Git on your computer. Git is pretty versatile and works on Windows, Mac, and Linux, so you don't have to worry about compatibility. To download Git, visit git-scm.com/download. And again, I'll have a link to this in the description. Once there, find the download link for your specific operating system. In my case, I'm using a 64-bit version of Windows, so I'll select that. After downloading the installer, navigate over to your Downloads directory and run it. The installation process is straightforward, and you can usually stick with the default settings, but if you're unsure, feel free to customize them as you need. Git should now be installed. To test this, open your terminal or command prompt and type git-v. This should display a little message showing what version number of Git you're currently using. The last thing we need to do is set up your identity. Type git config --global user.name quotation marks and put your name, and then hit enter. Then enter git config --global user.email, and in quotation marks put your email. And that's it. You've now successfully set up Git, created a GitHub account to store your repositories, and are ready to start version control for your game development projects. In the next video, we'll look at both creating new repositories and cloning existing repositories. Both of these are useful in game development, so it's good to know them both. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.